This is you, walking down the street, just living a normal day. You stop for a moment, maybe to tie your shoe, or maybe you pause to check your phone. You think nothing of it, just a small delay. But what if that pause leads to something unexpected? What if you meet someone because you waited there? What if you avoid an accident because of that one small moment? This is not magic or science fiction. It's something real. It's called the butterfly effect. The idea that even the smallest action can lead to big consequences later on. It's a concept that started in science but applies to almost everything in life. Today, let's explore how one small choice can change everything. Let's break it down into 5 simple points. 1. Small actions can lead to big results. The butterfly effect comes from the study of chaos theory. It began with a simple question. Can a butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil cause a tornado in Texas? Now, of course, butterflies don't actually cause tornadoes. The point is that in complex systems like weather or life, tiny actions can grow into massive outcomes over time. In your life, you might decide to help someone for just a minute. That minute of kindness could make them feel better, and maybe they help someone else later. This chain keeps going and grows into something bigger. It all started with a small act that seemed too small to matter, but it did. 2. One small choice can change your whole life. Imagine you are choosing between going to a party or staying home. You decide to go. At the party, you meet someone new. That person later becomes your friend, your coworker, or even your partner. Years later, your life looks completely different just because of that one small decision to go out. If you had stayed home, your path might have been totally different. We often think big life changes come from big decisions, but most of the time, it's the small ones that start everything. A tiny change in direction today could lead you to a totally different destination in the future. 3. The butterfly effect works both ways, for good and bad. Let's say you decide not to study one night. You think it's okay to skip once, but skipping once becomes a habit. Soon your grades fall. Your confidence drops. That one small choice to take a break becomes the start of a downward spiral. The same thing happens with negative habits. You eat unhealthy just once, then twice, then it becomes a routine. That's how one small choice, which didn't seem harmful at the time, grows into something much bigger. You ignore a small crack in the wall. Days later, the wall collapses. Small problems don't stay small forever. They grow if we don't handle them early. 4. You don't always see the results right away. This is one of the most important parts of the butterfly effect. The results of your small actions usually don't show up immediately. You might study a little more every day. Nothing seems different at first, but after a few weeks or months, you notice improvement. You feel more confident. You perform better. That small habit has now become something powerful. On the other side, a small mistake or bad habit might not hurt you right away, but over time, the effects will build up, just like planting a seed. At first, there's nothing, but one day that seed grows into a tall tree. That's how change happens. Slowly, quietly, and through small steps. 5. Every small moment is a chance to shape your future. The butterfly effect means your actions matter, even the ones that seem small. You don't need to make giant leaps every day. You just need to make small, good choices over time. Wake up on time, read a few pages, help someone out, stick to your plan even when you feel lazy. These tiny steps won't feel amazing right away, but together they build your life. You may take one small step each day. One day you will reach the top of the mountain, not because of one big jump, but because of small efforts every single day. So what can we take away from this? The butterfly effect is not just a theory. It's a reminder that you are always shaping your future, not just through big decisions, but through the small ones too. The way you treat people, how you spend your time, the little habits you build. These are the wings that create the storm. Life is full of moments that feel unimportant at the time, but one day you might look back and realize that a small decision changed everything. So the next time you're about to make a choice, even a small one, think again. It might be the beginning of something big. One moment can change a day, one day can change a life, and one life can change the world.